Desert geography. A desert is a place that is very dry. A desert gets less than 10 inches of rain per year. They are both hot and cold deserts. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert. The Antarctic Desert is the largest cold desert. The Sahara Desert in North Africa is almost as big as the entire United States. It is extremely hot and dry. Strong winds blow sand there, creating tall sand dunes. Large rocks and mountains can also be found there. Many plants and animals live in the desert. However, few people call the Sahara Desert home. The Antarctic Desert in Antarctica is covered in ice. It is located at the South Pole. The coldest temperature on Earth was recorded there, negative 130 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 90 degrees Celsius. It is too cold in the Antarctic Desert for people to live there. Trees, bushes, and grass do not grow there. Animals live only in the nearby ocean.